Hi there and welcome to Inside Tracker. To navigate to this page, go to insidetracker.com. Then click the Shop Now button. Here you'll be taken to our plans page. Scroll down to the second to last one from the bottom that says DIY. Select Order Now. Here it'll ask you to make an account. This is the email address that will be associated with your account, and then click Get Started. So you'll see that you have the DIY Advanced in your cart. If you'd like, you can add on InnerAge 2.0 for an additional $99 or add a DNA kit. Otherwise, go ahead and enter your discount code. And then select Apply and make payment. Unless you've added any other items to your cart, the balance will be $0, and then select Complete Purchase. From here, you'll set up some information about yourself so that your recommendations are most personalized to you. You can set up your password. You can also ask a security question in case you get locked out. You'll then fill out some contact details. You'll select I have read and agree and select Create Account. Then from here, you can go ahead and personalize your account by adding some food and beverage information, supplements, exercise, and lifestyle for us to better generate recommendations for you. In the interest of time, I'll just skip the personalization. Then you'll see the congratulations message and welcome aboard. From here, you can go ahead and upload now to upload your DIY data. You can select a file from your device, from your drive, and then that file will be uploaded into here, and then you can expect to see this information in your Inside Tracker account in about 2 business days. Thanks so much for following along today. You can go ahead and check out our website at insidetracker.com, or if you'd like, you can check out our blog for any related content. Thank you.